What's going on YouTube? Julian here with Shoe Care Academy, here for another episode. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today we're going to be cleaning these Nike OG Off-White Prestos. These belong to Reshoevn8r family, so we're going to take extra special care of these and be using the signature kit. Make sure we get them in the laundry system for you. And don't go anywhere. We have a holiday box that we're going to be giving away at the end of this episode, so make sure you guys stick around. Now let's get into the cleaning.
Do you want a chance at winning a PS5? Well, listen up. To enter the giveaway, you must follow these 3 steps. Step 1, must be subscribed to Reshoevn8r and John Manalo's YouTube channel. Step 2, you must be following manyworlds.az and John Manalo's Instagram account. And step 3, you must answer the 2 questions in the description below. The giveaway will be running until December 31st, which I'll be going live on ManyWorld's Instagram account to announce the winner. Good luck, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
We are going to take this right shoe and we're going to put it off to the side for before and after purposes. We're going to focus on this left side. First step, remove the laces. We're going to go ahead and set these off to the side, and then we're going to insert our Reshoevn8r shoe tree. Matt's a size 12, so we're going to go ahead and probably go all the way to the end with this. Reason that we put the shoe tree in there is to make sure we can put pressure on the toe box and also to help keep the form. It's good to keep shoe trees in your shoes at all times if you're not wearing them very often. Gets rid of creasing and stuff like that, so it's just good to keep them in there. So let's get into the cleaning. We're gonna take our deep cleaning solution, put 2 squirts into our bowl, and start off by using our soft bristle brush and cleaning these uppers. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and let the suds sit there on the uppers into that material. We're not gonna hit the material with the medium bristle brush because I don't wanna cause any fraying, but we are gonna hit some of the plastic pieces and then move on to the midsole with this medium bristle brush, so let's get into it. All right, we're gonna use our microfiber towel to gauge where we're at with these midsoles. We're looking pretty good, so I'm probably gonna move on to the stiff bristle brush now and let that do a little bit of the work, get a little bit into more of the crevices, and then move on to the outsole with that. All right, folks, that does it for the outsole and the stiff bristle brush, so we're gonna move those off to the side. This we're gonna set over here and bring back the laces so we can go ahead and get those cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and dip them into our cleaning solution, give them a quick scrub. All right, we're just gonna dry those off with a microfiber towel. All right. Now these are ready to go into the wash, so we're gonna grab our Reshoevn8r laundry bag, put that in there. These will fit 2 shoes up to a size 13. Any bigger than that, then you probably need to get another laundry bag. But you can find those at Reshoevn8r.com. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and put the laces into this front pouch here. The laundry pod will also go into that pouch. Let's tighten up all the cords so this thing doesn't move around too much. Grab our laundry pods and let's head over to the washing machine. Welcome back, everybody. We went ahead and let this shoe dry overnight. As you can tell, that midsole looks so much better. We take care of Matt. If you guys don't know Matt works behind the scenes here at the YouTube channel, making sure we're all taken care of. So we went ahead and took care of these shoes. Well, one of these shoes for him. He can do the other one. We'll let him take care of that later. But as I was telling you guys earlier, we are gonna be giving away a holiday box. All you guys have to do is drop in the comments down below. Let us know what your most expensive pair of shoes that you guys have ever purchased are, along with your Instagram handle, and we will be contacting you within 72 hours to let you know if you are the winner. You guys have a happy new year. My name is Julian with Shoe Care Academy, and we will see you guys on Monday.